For today's video, we've got the awesome dragonfly. These things are so cool, and I don't live near a pond that much anymore, and I really miss seeing them because they can hover and move. They're the fastest flying insect, so they're really cool, and I hope you like the model. Uh, I learned how to make this because of Anastasia's tutorial on money, star, origami, dollar tutorial. And here's here's her video on it. Sorry about that. So I'll leave a link in the description. Her channel name is nprocuda, and you'll fold that model up to 11:21 minutes, 11:21, and then you'll have this. Okay, and now we'll make it into the dragonfly. Well, wait a second. If you fold her tutorial to completion, you end up with a star like this. It's a really nice star. I liked it a lot. I made a lot of these. It stands up. Or instead of folding the back into a stand, you can fold the edges in and make a 6-pointed star. So that's pretty cool. I really liked her model. And let's get to the dragonfly. All right, one more thing. You can also make the star from a half a sheet of square paper. So it's 2-to-1. Sorry about that. So you can start with a 2-by-1 piece of paper, a half a square, and you start with the side that you want to be up on the dragonfly, face down. So if you're using 2-by-1 paper on her model, you'll skip the extra center folds, and that's the only difference. So if you want the green side out, start with George down, and vice versa for the gray side out. So I started with George face down, and we're going to have a green dragonfly. And what you do is these extra little pointy sides, you lay those down, and you've got the back side. And this is the head, and this is the tail. So right here, where these folds are doubled up inside, you start a fold from there, and you angle it over this way. Now if you want a big head, you fold less towards here. If you want a smaller head on the dragonfly, you fold it down further. So here's the smaller head, and then this is the prototype original with the bigger head. So I'm going to try to go for something in between those, actually. I'm going to fold it over to that line right there. So now try to make the other one the same. You can do that by folding in half and starting your fold a little bit to get an idea of exactly where. And that looks about right there. And crease those down. So I'm going to use my little folding block. It's my favorite because I can really push down on it. Now for the tail, don't accidentally fold any of these. In fact, you can flip those forward, get them out of the way. Just don't damage the points. Lay it back down again. Now we've got to fold these edges in, but the paper's restricting it here. That's fine. We want to make kind of a curved tail. So just get it all the way to the point here and bring it up that way till it starts bending this. And get the other one, fold it in. Now you can overlap these. And you see right there, they're overlapping. And there, that is how you want the dragonfly to come together. You're getting rid of all this. Okay. Now kind of just pinch it in and round it a little bit. So now you've got the dragonfly flipped right side up. And we're going to do the head now because it's kind of hard to do after you make the wings. So where the paper is really thick here, hold it right there. Open up on the bottom and pinch right here with your full fingers. And fold the head down to make a square. I want it angling out just a little bit like this. See? And now the details on the head are optional, really. But I saw another origami dragonfly. And this part's completely different. But the head, they folded the corners in just a little bit of these two sides. And on the bottom, they folded the point in. But I'm going to fold it back just ever so slightly and then fold it forward. So there's our dragonfly head. And you just pinch that into shape. Now to make the wings. And I'm always reinforcing the tail, trying to make it round. So you start with the wings. And you just get one wing. And you go underneath and you open it up. Put your finger inside toward the point, not toward the body. And now I'm holding it with this finger. And then you open up. That was too far. You open up these flaps. And you get in and divide that there. And you're just going to flatten the crease right here. Now, dragonflies have a lot of different wings for different areas of the dragonflies, different types. There's a lot of them. They're pretty cool. I really like them. And they don't bite you or anything. If anybody says that, it's a myth. They get mosquitoes and gnats and any bugs they really can attack. Now that's a pretty nice looking front wing. Now you can either do the back one or you can go to the front one on the other side. Try to make it the same. Divide it. Open it up at top. So you open it up at top first, I guess. I mean, you're seeing the third money dragonfly of this type, so, you know, I've only learned it enough to teach it barely. I'm just flattening out the end, making a little diamond. And so there we go. There's the other front wing. Get inside these two flaps. Open the back. And flatten out that center crease. And that looks like enough. Go to this other one. Oops. And just, it takes a little patience to carefully get into the positions. And that's about all there is to it. Now you can shape this up a little bit more. I tried shaping this better, but it really doesn't stay that great. So there's the dragonfly. I hope you enjoy it. I really like it. I got 3 of these now, and they're pretty cool. People should recognize it right off the bat. If you like the model, I'd really appreciate a like. And the more likes and subscribers and comments and everything will motivate me to make more and more cool tutorials for the channel. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Take care.